One eternity later.
I guess if I'm gonna record, I'm gonna need this here. Alright. Feeling a little more into it today. So hopefully we find some good stuff. Let's see what we got. Just doing it fast. I'm gonna have to run back over there. Morning, Shirley.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm here. Whew. Those are awful. Whoop. It's inside of it.
What time you got there?
How we doing? Boondock Saints. Brand new sealed stuff here. Probably means it's real good. I'll check them out. That might be all right. Oh. Okay. Check that out. Complete series. I mean. Oh.
It's chicken. It's fried chicken. It's fried chicken.
Peanuts movie. Brand new seal. Interesting. What? What? Really? There's no way. It's missing the seconds. The second hand. It's kind of weird. They went over $200 for this though. We'll have to look into it. Wonder if that one was good. I'm not gonna get this because he's destroyed, but what's this one's name? Volpix or something, right? He's probably good. Yeah, maybe about 20 bucks. If he was in good condition, I probably would have grabbed him. Dang it. There's no way I'd want to buy this. It'd have to be worth quite a bit. We'll check it. Let's see. It's broken. It smells like piss too. Oh, it smells like smoke. Terrible. Oh man. Yeah, probably pass on all that. Oh no. There's trouble.
First thing you asked is whether you were here today.
Oh, I'm here, Larry. $1986. What could you part out? See that?
It's still, thank you.
Never mind.
That's all right.
Cheese.
You want me to take that to your car?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Thank you. at one point.
No, if you two spent more time looking this time bullshitting, you'd find more.
I don't know about that. These are two of the worst belts I've ever seen. Kia bag. Whoa. Man, you're getting all the copper this week, huh?
That ain't saying much.
Oh, they're good?
This has been bad.
Yeah.
I didn't find anything on 2 and 3.
Yeah.
You're all right. Yeah, no, you're okay.
Be a little bitty.
Battery case off of it.
Yeah,
Might have him
I'll
some.
do that. Oh, there you are.
What is it?
I have no idea. That's why I give it to you.
Oh. Well, are they going to do one?
I don't know, but I'm leaving.
You're leaving?
Yep,
It's Friday.
11:30
It is Friday, Bryce.
all day. So I got to go to Menards.
Well, if you must.
I'll see you next week.
All right. I'll be here.
You have a promise?
Yes.
Gentlemen, I use that term loosely. Have a good day.
You too, Bryce.
Thank you.
We'll see ya. What about this little guy here? Broken. Broken. These are just things I just don't ever mess with. It looks like they're pretty good. Metzler Ortloff? Metzler Ortloff. He's definitely broken. It's broken here and here. Let's see here. Could get this piece. What about that piece? That comes off.
Oh, another one?
Oh man. Just one?
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you.
You can have it.
Ooh. All right.
I got you covered. but I ain't found a good one.
Nah, it's bad. No.
Just our little pair. Look at them. Oh,
All right, here you go. That sucked. Let's do that again. All right, here you go. That sucked too. We did okay today. We got some. This might turn out to be pretty good. This 1976 gun plush. Got the beat up Barry Manilow. We got enough. We can go.
You sure about that?
See you, man.
Have a good day.
Good luck. All right, y'all. I went into Walmart. No Nitos, no Pokemon cards, but I did find this dirty Mountain Dew. I didn't even know this was a thing, but I got the zero sugar version because I'm trying to watch the sugar intake. But we're gonna try this out. I don't know, guys. That cream flavor is very artificial tasting. Maybe the full sugar version is better, but I'm giving this 1 Frosty out of 5, and I don't think I'll be buying this one again. So with that, I want to thank y'all for watching. And as always, oh, that's not good. Take care and keep the thrift alive.